Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an easy hack on how you can pin your Google account profile to your desktop. So if you want to have an easy access to your profile on Chrome or Google account, you can just pin your profile on desktop. So what you need to do is just open your browser, your Chrome, using the account that you are going to use, the profile. So here I've already logged in into mine, this one's right here. So if you want to pin it into your desktop, you can just click on this three dots icon on Chrome and then find settings. By scrolling down, you'll easily spot settings in here. And then click on this You and Google options and go to this customize your Chrome profile. So click on this. And then you can just scroll down and you'll find this one, this option, create a desktop shortcut. So by enabling this, you can create a desktop shortcut on your device to access directly to this profile. So let's just enable this. Okay, after that, when you close this, shortcut will be created, this one. So when I click on this, it will automatically open my profile on Chrome using this Google account. So if you have more than one account like I did in here, this might be helpful for you to smoothen your workflow. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.